We will be assembling the stocking box card. So here's all of our pieces. I have prepared most of my flower. I saved one petal to work with you. I'm using a rather dry ink pad and I'm just touching the edges of each petal. And then I'm going to use my stylus just to curve my petals around. And I'm just pinching my petals around the stylus. Okay. So let's go ahead and assemble our flower, our poinsettia. And you just want to offset the petals from each other. Try not to use too much glue. The first one there, I put a little bit too much. Oops. So this is a silhouette pickup tool. It's got sticky stuff here in the top that helps you pick up small pieces. So I'm just going to set this aside and let it dry. So our insert has a bear. There's a black circle to put just behind his head for his eyes and his mouth. So I'm just going to apply the glue here. And then just glue him to his insert. Okay. And go ahead and fold the tabs. We have a candy cane as well, so we'll just go ahead and glue these together. And then this is for the back, for you to write a sentiment on. Okay. So this is the base of the card. I'm going to put the panels on. There is not a panel for the back. The back gets the oval. this longer strip goes here in between. Then your short strip goes over here, over the toe. Go. Then there is the fur top for your stocking. Okay, there we have the outside done. Now this card only has one insert, and then the candy cane's going to glue to the back. I'm just going to line this up to the top, to the back edge. Got a little too close. There we go. And then my candy cane is going to come in and just find a place you kind of like him. Put some glue here on the bottom. Now I'm going to apply glue to this tab. I'm going to fold this over to catch it. And then glue this to close up your card. Hold it back and forth both ways to get it working good. And then the poinsettia is going to go here on the top. And there we have it. There is our stocking box card. Push this down a little bit more. And it does stand up nicely. Thank you for joining me.